Hey, what's up, Malik? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips we can actually apply to your website. These 3 tips help you get on that first page and help you draw in a lot more customers and help grow your business here. And the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Run over the first thing here, content. Google loves words, and increasing your word count, I like to be right around 2,000 right on that first page. That way you can actually layer in all those keywords. Those keywords are what people are searching for and how your website is even found. Kind of give you an idea here. All these images, this all has a content in it as well. I would keep your name up in your logo and then put more buyer's intent keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings and help bring in more leads. Kind of give you an idea on those keywords again. West Babylon NY Roofing, put that right inside of Google. This is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. Those are actually replacing those old school ads, which became really spammy. These just block out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another form of paid advertisement, really. A lot of people do have ad blockers as well, so a lot of ads aren't even getting through. Underneath those ads, we have this map pack or the GMB or the Google My Business Listing, whatever you want to call it. And to get to the very top where all the traffic actually lands, you're going to be dealing with these online citations. These citations are just online directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what you want to do is come in, go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and outrank them, so I would do another 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they got. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you did in that listing. Underneath that map pack, we have that first page of Google, and this is where all that organic traffic lands. And to be found right here with your website, it really comes down to having all that content in place, being found for those keywords that you actually need to be found for, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. I took your URL, stuck it inside of Ahrefs, and Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So here's all your keywords. You got your name there at the top. West Construction Corp or Web Construction Corp. New York and Company West Babylon. Construction Resources Corp of New York. This is what keywords you're actually being found for. Let me show you one of your competitors. This is Dormer King. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs as well. They're really not ranking, but we can actually use some of these keywords. Roof repair, Long Island. There's 60 clicks right there. Long Island roofers, roofing contractors, Long Island. Or if we need to be different locations, we can actually switch up the locations and find those keywords as well. But coming in, finding these keywords, making sure you're doing those quality backlinks, that's going to get you right on that first page, and you're going to notice your phone start ringing off the hook. Anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Take care. Bye.